Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube account for a beginner. So let's dive in. You go to your Chrome browser or your Google, just scroll your Chrome browser, click on this search and search for YouTube, youtube.com. Now click on youtube.com. Click on this three menu button here. Sorry, I think I have to log out from my own. I think I have my own already, so I'm going to log out. Okay guys, sorry. Let's go back to search for sign up. YouTube sign up. youtube.com/sign up. Okay, sign up new account. Okay, so guys, let's create a new account. Create a new account. Let's create a new account here. Now, okay, you need to create a Google account. It is okay. Let's click Google account. All account, create an account. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's go back to our YouTube, and we're going to add account. Let's go. Okay, now see. So if you want to create account on your YouTube, you have to create a new Google account. Let's go back for you to see what I'm talking about. This is it. Click on add account. Once open any YouTube, just click on that plus money button. You click on add account, and this is going to Google. So click on create account for personal use or for work. Or I'm going to look for my work or my business now. So enter your first name. I'm going to enter the first name here. I'm going to show you every step in creating our YouTube account. So let's dive in and be patient. So let's put in our name here. Click on next. Then click on your month. Just click on something random. If you like, you can use any one that you want. If you can write anything that your gender, change your gender to female. Click on next. Alright, so now choose your Gmail address. You can see they give you different Gmail address. If you wanted to create another, so I'm going to create my own Gmail address. So I'm just going to write Jimmy. Sorry guys, just make sure you write something that nobody have chosen before, and Google is going to tell you if the account is available. You can see Jimmy. Click on next. If this thing is available, now it is available. So I'm going to click on my password, and I think this way is not going to show. So it is my password I wanted to put. So it's possible that it did not see what I'm writing, but I'm going to put my password here. Click on next. Just put your password. Click on save. I'll just follow it. I'm just going to share some in, skip everything. Click on next. Click on I agree. Now okay guys, let's wait for our account has been created, so now we can use it to log in our YouTube. You're going to use your Google account to log into your YouTube. So this is it. Okay, now so the account that I add will now be displayed here, and this is it. Just click on it. Just click on it, and you have automatically create your YouTube account. So us searching to get started, let me just search for something random. I'm going to search for something random now. Let's see. For me to get started, check how to, sorry guys, you just have to search for something to get all those started. Click on next and let's go and search. So you search for something for you to get started on your YouTube, and then you're going to bring out something for you can see, and this is it. You have started your own YouTube. So this is very easy. I've created my YouTube now. I've created an account on YouTube. If you click on this button now, you can see this is your own, which is your username is your Google account, Olajumoke Temi. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.